A very good morning, my kids. How are you all? I hope my students are very much fine. So, have you done all your question and answers? Yes, you have done. As we are going through with the test as well, so you are doing also well. So, student, I hope that the chapter number 4, which we have done recently, that is clear to you all. Now, can anyone tell me how many chapters we have discussed? Yes. Yes, are you saying 4? Alright, the students are saying we have done 4 chapters. Alright. So can anyone tell me the name of the first chapter? What was the chapter number 1? If you remember that chapter number 1 that we have discussed, food, where does it comes from? Food, where does it comes from? Alright kids. Alright, after that which chapter we have done? We have done the chapter number 2, that is components, of food. Alright, in which we have discussed about the nutrients which we are getting from the foods. Then chapter number 3 we have discussed, that was the new chapter for you as well. That was fiber to fabric. Alright, we have discussed fiber to fabric and we have done it very well in a very fantastic manner. We have discussed and recaptured it again and again. After that, we have discussed chapter number 4. If you have remembered, the name of the chapter was, yes, that is your sorting. Basically, we have discussed about the materials, sorting materials into groups. Alright, if you have remembered, so basically we have discussed all these 4 chapters. So you must be thinking that why ma'am is writing this again. As you all know, now we have discussed chapter 1, we have discussed chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4. So I hope that the concept has been clear whatever we have discussed in these chapters. Alright, so now the new thing that we have to do, that is periodic test. As you all know, when we have completed these 4 chapters, now we have to do the periodic test, and this will ensure you that exactly how much concepts are understood by you. Alright, so basically as you all know, we have to done in the today's class, that is MCQ questions we will do fill-ups and we will do diagrams and matchups. Alright, and these will not be come from any particular chapter. It will come from among all these 4 chapters. Alright, so I hope you have to recapitulate all the 4 chapters, then you can able to give the answers. Alright, so you are going to give the answers, so get ready, open your book, and we are going to start a periodic test paper 1 that is based on these 4 chapters. Alright, start doing it. Alright student, so I hope that you have opened your book as well with me. So it is page number A29. Everyone please remember this, page number A29 we are discussing. So everyone please open this page number so it would be easier to understand. So let's start with the question number 1, that is MCQ, and I hope this is your interesting it's very interesting questions for you, that you all are just finding the answers from among the 4 options. So I hope that it is written here that part number A, in A part it is written, the question I am reading, just look it in the book. Which one of the following is rich in carbohydrates? Alright, means that there are 4 options given and you have to give the answer that which one of the following is rich in carbohydrate. If you remember, carbohydrate is the name of nutrient and it gives in the which type of food, like your cereals, wheat, rices, potatoes. Alright, so can you just check out the options? P is there. P is not source of carbohydrate. Wheat, yes, wheat is the good source. Let's check about the another option. Carrot is not, tomato is not. Rest of 3 options are from the vegetable. So definitely our answer is cereal, that is second, your wheat. As we all know, wheat is great source of carbohydrates. Alright. Now come to the second B part, that is written vitamins and minerals. As you all know, vitamins and minerals are those nutrients those give us the protection from the diseases. When we are eating these food which are rich in vitamins and minerals, they are protecting us from the diseases. All right. So question is, you can see, are they protective food, are they bodybuilding food, are they energy giving food, or both second and third? Definitely they are not bodybuilding food because protein is there, energy giving, carbohydrate, and both second and third are completely wrong. So answer would be first, that is protective foods. Alright, who is protective food? Vitamins and minerals. Alright, now come on to the part number C. As it is mentioned, the process of twisting the fiber so as to make the stronger is called. हम कौन सा प्रोसेस यूज करते हैं जिसमें हम ट्विस्ट करते हैं and we are getting a very long thread like structure? Do you remember that? Weaving is there? No. Spinning? Yes. The option number 2, that is spinning process we are using for twisting the fibers. All right. Now next one, let us check a material through which you can see partially. कौन सा वो मटेरियल था? आई हैव शोन यू, जिसके आर पर आपको थोड़ा धुंधला दिखाई देता था. आर दे ट्रांसपेरेंट? नो. आर दे ओपेक? नो. सो व्हाट वुड बी द आंसर? ट्रांसल्यूसेंट. ऑल राइट. सो आंसर इज गिवन हियर, थर्ड ऑप्शन. Translucent are the object which allow us to see partially. All right. Now come to the next question, that is E part. Which one of the following is an omnivore? इनमें से कौन सा एनिमल है जो कि omnivore है? So let us check. Lion is carnivore, deer is herbivore, green plants are producers. So definitely answer is first, that is cockroach. All right. Cockroach are the animals. Those are omnivores. So I hope that this MCQs are clear. So let's proceed with the filling the blanks. All right. So let's start. So let's student come to the second question. Question number 2, that is fill in the blank. That is again a very interesting questions. All right. So you can see it is written here. Elephant is dash because it eats only what? So as you all know, elephant is herbivore. Elephant is yes, that is herbivore because they eat only plants and its product. So we can say they eat only plant products. All right. Now pulses. If you remember, I told you P for pulse, P for protein. So pulses are a source of protein. All right, they are good source of protein. Now deficiency of iodine leads to, अगर हम iodine ना लें तो किस deficiency को हम lead कर सकते हैं अपनी body में? That is your goiter. Do you remember? Are you all remember that the questions which we have done, that is goiter. Now the next question, the jute fiber is obtained from dash of the jute plant. Do you remember that? हम जूट फाइबर को जूट प्लांट की किस पार्ट से ऑब्टेन करते हैं? कौन सा पार्ट होता है? फ्लावर होता है, रूट होता है, लीव्स होते हैं और स्टेम होते हैं. सो यस स्टूडेंट, जूट आर द स्टेम पार्ट of the jute plant. So we are getting the jute stem of the jute plant. Now the freshly sandpapered surface of metals, alright, it is written here, of metals has dash. जब हम मेटल के एरिया को सैंड पेपर से फ्रेशली रब करते हैं, so what will get, we will get there. So please, if you remember that, please open the book which is mentioned on the A42. You can see here, in case of the wire or in case of paper cardboard, we have the sandpaper surface is shining, and you have seen that sandpaper, we can call them metal has luster. क्या होता है उनके सरफेस पे? लस्टर, चमक होती है. ऑल राइट. So I hope these fill in the blanks are clear to you all. And now we are going to proceed in the next question, which is again very interesting for you all, that we are going to discuss the diagram part. Alright. So till that I am just making the diagram. Can you please just look at the diagram and can you tell me the labeling of the diagram? Alright. So let's make the diagram first. Label the different part of a plant as shown in figure. So you can see here that flower like structure has been made, and then after you can see there is a soil and roots are there. Alright. This is like, you know, yellowish like flower, and you can see that smaller like structures are coming like this. Alright, this look like leaf but it's not exactly the leaf. Alright student, so you can see here, and here is also few leaves are there. Now the A part is written here, A. So we have to write the A here. Then B part has mentioned here, so we have to write the B part. And C part they are asking about this part, so C part we will make here, and that is the D part. Alright. If you are having any query, if you are having any your basically the doubt, so you can open the page number A4 beta. Open the page number A4. There is a diagram of mustard plant. So basically I would like to tell you, this is the mustard plant diagram. Alright. And we have to fill these labels. So on the A level you can see that they are labeled as a flower. This is the flower of the mustard plants. Alright. Now second, this looks like the green color, this looks like the leaf, but exactly it is fruit of the mustard plant. Alright beta, this is the fruit of the mustard plant. Then see, you can see directly they are showing this line, so this is your stem part. Alright, this is your stem. And then after you can see this area, you can see this is completely showing, that is your leaf. That is your leaf. So I hope this diagram is clear. You can do it directly. You have to do it in the book. These question answers you have to do in the book. So proceed to the next, that is match the following. Alright. Alright student. Now the question number 4 type is match ups. Alright. They are very simple and they are very interesting again. बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग टाइप के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं. आपको पता है कॉलम ए एंड कॉलम बी आर मेंशन इन योर बुक. ऑलराइट, व्हाट वी आर डूइंग इन द कॉलम बी. हमेशा याद रखना बेटा, वी विल डू द मैच द फॉलोइंग द कॉलम बी. हाउ वी विल डू? फर्स्ट you have to mention all the parts. It's written like material. Alright, it's written material. Then B is mentioned baling. Alright, and C they have written animal products. Animal products. Then in D part they have written protein. Then in the E part they have written immiscible. Alright, these are the options that they have written. Now we have to read the column A and just write down here their option of A, B, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so first is there milk, curd, ghee and paneer. Milk, curd, ghee and paneer. Milk we are getting from the animal and curd, ghee, paneer are the product of the milk. So indirectly the option will be animal product. So answer number 1 is C, animal products. Now pulses, as we all know, P for pulse, P for protein. So you can check, this is your protein. So write down here, second answer will be there. Now the third, compressing of raw cotton into bundles. Cotton को compress करके और उसको raw cotton bundles में बनाते हैं, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Do you remember? Yes, that is baling process. So write down here third one. Alright students, I hope that this is the way to do the math the following. It is very easier for you. Now the fourth one, a liquid which does not dissolve in water. वो liquid जो आपका dissolve नहीं होता, like oil, coconut oil, they are known as immiscible oils or liquid. So immiscible will be the fourth one answer. Alright, and the last one, the last option is there, a term used to describe a particular kind of metal is known as material. Alright student, so as you all know, I hope We have discussed all the periodic tables. So do this in book. Alright, you have to do this in book. What is this? Periodic test paper 1. Alright. Book में आपको करना PT1 periodic test paper 1 in the book till here. I hope this much is clear, and we will proceed the another part of this periodic test paper in the next class. Thank you, students.